Hello everyone, this is me, Janice Mae, once again. And today I would like to show you how to create this nice bangle bracelet made of big round beads. So I'm using paper beads, and this is our 16 millimeter round paper beads. And what it is just a memory wire coil. This is actually just like one coil, and I designed it in a way that you can hang dangles and that there is a clasp to hold it on this side so that it doesn't move. You see, without that clasp holding the end, because it's just a one loop memory wire, it can easily come off, especially if you have big heavy beads on there. But this way, it holds on to your wrist and it beautifully displays that charms that you hang on there. So I'm going to show you how to make these. But first, let me take it off so that you can see. It's just a toggle clasp. I put a toggle clasp there to hold it in place. And I have a little chain where the dangles hang from. It's very simple, but I love this design because I see that a memory one loop, I wouldn't want to wear them like that because they can just come off your wrist and they tend to get bigger over time. But with a clasp like that and with a charm that adds, beauty to it, I love that design. So let me show you how I did this, and let me go over the tools with you first. You need a round nose, you need chain nose, and you need the memory wire cutter to cut your wire. So a memory wire looks like this. So, they come in gold and silver. So I'm using silver, but I just want to show you. You do not cut this with your regular cutting tool because it cannot cut through the wire itself. You need the memory wire. So that's the tools that we need. Now let me go over the materials. Okay. So the materials is memory wire that I already pre-cut. So like that. It's like 1.5 coil. And this is about 2 inches in diameter. And beads. So for this purpose, I'm using paper beads. So I have this big round beads which I sell on my Etsy shop. It will be down below, my links. Or you can use just regular glass pearls or beads, which I'm going to show you what I did with the same design using pearls. And you need charms. I'm using, the cross charms. You need toggle clasp. I'm using this kind. And you need just beads to hang on with your cross charms. So the first thing that we need to do is take your memory wire and then your round nose and then make a loop. So it's just, this is very simple, but you need to have really strong grip to bend that wire. Like so. not really. I thought I did it. So just like that. There's your loop. And then you start stringing your beads. So what I did with that design, the bracelet I showed you, I just strung 3 little beads. So it can be crystals, Swarovskis 4mm, it can be seed beads, it can be round beads, whatever you want to try, just experiment. So string your big bead and your 3 little beads in between. So let me just finish doing this and I come back when we're ready to attach our chain. So now I strung all the beads on there, on the memory wire. So there's 3 little beads in between. Again, you can make your own design. And now I'm ready to make the loop on the other end. And the way I see it, it's kind of long and I need to trim that a little bit using the memory wire cutter. Just a little bit. And then you take your round nose. I mean, this is very simple, but apparently not at this time. Just put that back on there. The more you rush, the more that, you know, the more it slows you down for some reason. Okay, so then just bend it into a loop, just like you did with the other one. And hold on a second. And there it is. So the next thing you need to do, just need to fix it. I guess I cut it short. Okay. The next thing you need to do is take your chain and you are going to determine, you know, how long it is. So this chain is to go across from this side to that side in the loop, and this is where you hang on the charms. So if you see what I'm trying to tell you, you can wear it like that and it's fine, but in time it gets, you know, to be loose. So I need to somehow anchor it with that toggle clasp. So I'm going to attach this wire. I already pre-measured mine, so all I have to do is just attach on here. And close it, and do same thing here, and you have a lot of choices when it comes to wire, but this is what I have available. And close it. You would have to reopen this again when you attach your toggle chain. So this is what I'm talking about. Then it's like that. You're gonna hang your charms in here. So I am choosing the cross charm to hang in here in the middle, and let me just do that right now. And the middle would be about here, and close your okay. So there's your charm, and then the next thing you do is attach your toggle clasp. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm thinking here will be your toggle. First we need to put that in there and attach it somewhere here. Okay, a little wider, somewhere here. Somehow I still need to, no, should be okay. So, like so. So this is where you attach your toggle, and then you just need to take the other end of the toggle clasp and attach it to here. I'm gonna do that without the camera. I want to conserve time. Now I have attached the other end of the toggle that goes right here, and now I just need to add dangle charms. And how I do that, for example, I'm gonna use this pearl and just quickly, there should be tons of tutorial on how to do how to attach charms, but I'm gonna be showing you quickly, like so, and then just attach it on the chain right here. So I will come back as soon as I have attached all the. Here is the finished piece. So I decided to use these two charms, and what I did is just wire wrap onto the chain here. If you don't want to wire wrap it to the chain, you can also just connect it using jump rings. So now let me put on my finished bracelet. So you have your toggle clasp here, and all you need to do is just put this through your toggle, and let me see, I'm sorry but I'm all thumbs. These nails are not good. Okay, here you go. Here you go, come on. Okay, there it is. Isn't that pretty? It's secure, it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. And this will be sold as a demo piece right there on my Etsy. I have the link. And just to show you that you can also make this using other beads, here it is with the pearls. This is actually so pretty on, and this will also be sold as a demo piece. I just want to show you that all the jewelry making ideas I have using paper beads can also be used using other beads. So there you have it. I hope you learned something new today. Till next time, thanks for watching.